Hello, do you want to get a high score in Block Blast? Okay, we are going to this, okay, step by step. We are going to the Block Blast app, okay, and you wait. Okay, here we are going to the classic mode, okay, and here you have the Block Blast. Okay, we are going to the settings and we are going to the replay play. Okay, here, okay, you have the piece, okay, and you put the piece in the corner, okay, this in the corner and this in the corner. Okay, here have a other, okay, you put this and we are going to the settings, go to the replay and you click to play. Okay, here you put this in the corner, this in the corner and this in the corner, okay, and here have the glitch, okay, for the Block Blast, okay, and bye bye.